him right now?
It's 20 minutes ago. Yeah. He was in the plot with one hen. Yeah, so money, dude.
He's right there.
He's right there.
See if he gobbles anything.
Yeah.
He's probably in a tree or looking for a tree right now.
Pretty close to it. Yeah, 7:40 they were coming across the plot. Well, setup's pretty easy actually. Built a little ground blind right below that saddle set along the river. He's been hitting that little 3/4 acre food plot every morning, every night, so we're just gonna slip in early. We're gonna throw the full strut decoy out with a bedded hen. And then I think these birds are gonna be roosted like within 150, 200 yards of us tops. So he was in the plot at like 6:30 or something this morning. It was like dark when he was there, so they're super close by. I mean, hopefully this wind doesn't screw them up a little bit overnight, but if they do what they've been doing, we should be in the chips. Left of that dead tree on the end, that dead oak. He's left of that, but he's back up in there. He's way up high. They're all pitching out. There comes a hen right at us. Right here. Look at those. A little better than an inch. Old fern.